I thought I would show some tools that I find very helpful, though they're not specific at all to voice coding. These will be great to have even if you use only your keyboard. Uh, of course, a lot of people know about these, but on the off chance that you don't, here they are. This is Vimium. It essentially allows you to control your any Chrome-based browser via sort of Vim keys. It has limitations. There used to be a great Firefox alternative to this, Vimperator, and it was really, really, really good. Um, there was also something as I don't remember the name. One of the Xul, when they removed support for old plugins, they actually removed support for this old one. I also have this called Fire Envim. This one is a little bit sketchy, to be honest. Not in the sense that it does something weird, but uh, it's definitely on the slower side and so on. This one is Fire Envim is for using Vim inputs on pages. We'll see if I can show this. I probably will go to GitHub or something and show this. Vimium is of course more general, where you can use it all over your browser and so on. So let's take a look at these things. Wake up, fine, go to sleep. Here you can see that we can press F to open links, right? So for example, if we wanted to go here to tier 1 support, we would say sunmade, wake up, sunmade, gust, ship gust, slash, say undefined, slap, near, near, ship near, quest, escape, quest, escape, gust, ship fine, each, gust trap, gust ship trap, gust trap, plex, ship plex, fine, each, ship on, say google.com, to tabby, backspace, tabby, slap, ship trap, drum on cap, slap, ship trap, say Google, slap, ship on, say some completely unrelated site, prick, escape, go to sleep. So as you can see, um, we can control a lot of stuff via voice, and of course, diving deeper into this is an exercise for those who are interested, I suppose. In general, it works fairly well. Obviously, though, there are limitations. A lot of browsers don't want you to run plugins on certain types of documents and in the native settings and so on, because plugins there would potentially do something bad and so on and so forth. All browsers have this limitation. It's not really something you can get away from. So there are limitations here, but overall, I would say it works fairly well. Vimium is not quite as good as the Firefox plugins, generally speaking, have been. And to be honest, they all have fairly massive issues. But yeah, it works well enough. Wake up, fine. Look, ship fine. Kick gust trap, fine. Air harp, slash, say reflection, slap, near, near, near. go to sleep. So yeah, you can browse around with this. I would say though, it gets really slow, really weirdly on certain sites and so on. I wouldn't really, yeah, if there are a lot of links, for whatever reason, drawing uh, these link sort of badges or whatever you want to call them, um, it seems to be very slow. I mean, of course, here we didn't really have any issues. Like, let's see how fast it is, I suppose. Wake up, fine. Escape, ship fine. Escape, go to sleep. I suppose this is also one of those things where sometimes it's slower than other times, but yeah, it works fairly well. I would say it's a fine addition to your browsing workflow at the very least, and it works fairly well with voice, obviously, because it works well for keyboards. Let's see if we can check out Fire NVim. I'm probably going to have to go to GitHub and sort of write in an issue or something because I know it works there. There are certain input fields where it just doesn't activate. I have no idea why, and I don't particularly care to know why either in certain cases. It works usually where I want it to work, but yeah. So let's open GitHub, I suppose. Wake up, on, gust sit trap, say hub, tabby tabby, tabby tabby, slap, focus browser. Oh, I actually opened a tab there. Hang on. Ship gust, fine. Sunmade, sit. Say this is a completely normal Vim. Escape, bat cap each, vest sit made, escape, ship air, space, say window, escape, on. Say this is actually using Neo Vim, escape, bat cap each, vest sit made, escape, ship find space, plex, on. Say one big problem is that you can't resize this window, space, say by voice, slap, say but you can resize it with your mouse, escape, to bat, drum find space. So what you end up having to do is this. It's fairly tedious, and you can see the performance of this is absolutely terrible. I have no idea what they're using to draw this. But yeah, it's not optimal. Let's call it that. It has issues. The good thing though is, of course, in the general case, you resize once, you write your thing, you can use Vim to do it, and it's fairly comfortable that way. I'm trying it out right now, and I do think that it's overall a positive, and I think it's a worthy addition to pretty much everyone's workflow, uh, as long as they sort of, yeah, they learn how to work with it, I suppose. Um, it's possible that your NeoVim config can also have something to do with it. It could be that mine is particularly troublesome sometimes with this, but I do think it's probably mostly the plugin. But yeah, I think these tools are useful, and they probably would be useful to people who only use keyboards as well. And yeah, that's it, I guess.